Hey loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you guys how I did this super easy install with this wig from JurllyShe. They went ahead and sent me over a 20-inch 5x5 HD lace closure unit, and this is what it looks like. Of course, I am so here for this texture. Like, we love a curly unit, something super easy, super manageable. This is it. So if you're looking for that, definitely keep watching as I show you guys how I install this unit. And if you'd like to purchase this unit off rip, I would totally recommend. The links will be in the description box for you to do so. So without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we be making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I miss. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. Brown sugar. To me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. The story goes, brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous twine, but I think I'm here to solo, hold my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. I want some of your brown sugar. So sweet to me, babe. I want some of your brown sugar. 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 I want some of your brown sugar.
Then dip me underway. You can kill my mouth for love when I went slow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, deep, baby, deep, deep, baby, deep, deep, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak.
this is how the wig looks from JurllyShe. They went ahead and sent me a 20-inch 5x5 HD lace closure wig, and this is what I did with it. I'm loving it because the curl pattern is really nice and cute. I loved that plucking was super easy, and how easy the baby hairs portion of this video was. You guys saw it. I don't think I made any cuts to it. Like, this was super easy and breezy, so here for it. I love a wig that's super easy to install, and bleaching was actually a breeze. I am gonna do a video separately to show you guys how exactly I bleached the knots, but bleaching the knots was a breeze and it came out amazing, so definitely stay tuned for that one. But no complaints so far. I haven't been having any excessive shedding. If I did, I definitely would let you guys know. Right now the hair is just looking like this in its diffused state. It's not super dry, pretty much 70% dry, give or take, but here it is. I can't wait to take pictures in this unit. This unit is so gorgeous. Yeah, if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so, so don't forget to go ahead and check those out. Thank you so much, JurllyShe, for sending me this gorgeous unit. So in love with everything about this unit. The curl pattern is gorgeous, the hair feels great, super lightweight, it's not tangling, knotting, perfect. So definitely go ahead and check out the links for this wig if you'd like to purchase. As always, definitely looking forward to seeing you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.